So this is our math lesson today. I'm going to start by writing a word problem on the board. Whose name do I want to use? Emmy has 14 lip glosses. Zoe has 12 lip glosses. How many lip glosses do they have all together? So, Emmy has 14 lip glosses. Zoe has 12 lip glosses. How many lip glosses do they have all together? Now, there's something I need to write first. I need everyone to turn their cameras on for me, because I'm going to do a montre trois trois deux un, where you show me your work. Okay? I want everyone to write down the equation for this problem. Gage, what's up, dude?
Yesterday we said we'd do a few problems in the chat bar too.
Yep, I'm going to have you do some answers in the chat bar. Yep, but we're going to do this first one together. I want everyone to write down the equation for this problem. Emmy has 14 lip glosses. Zoe has 12. And they want to know how many they have in all. We don't know how many they have in all, so that is our unknown. And if we want to know how many they have all together, can you show me? Is it plus or is it minus? It's plus, right. So I'd like everyone to write down this equation. When you got that equation, show it to me. When everyone has this equation written down, 14 plus 12 equals unknown, I'd like you to show it to me. Good Journey, good Gage, good Riley, good Zoe, good George, good Emmy, good Carson, good Darren, good Vita. I need some other friends. Good Easy. Careful, Easy. Make sure it's a 14, not a 4. Is it a 14? A 1 and a 4? Okay.
I asked him to put the 1 low one.
Oh, okay. Okay. I just want you to make sure, because I don't want you to be confused. Now, what are some strategies we could use to solve this problem? Good job, Bristol. We got to show a strategy, though. What's a strategy we can use to solve this problem right here? What's one strategy? Just name it for me. Zoe.
One strategy is we could put the 10s together, then count how many ones.
Yep. You could do the 10s and 1s chart, right? With base 10 blocks, right? That's one. What's another one? George.
Part whole.
Part whole model. You could put the two parts together to find the whole, right? What else? Bristol.
A number line.
An open number line is another way you could solve it. What else? Riley.
Circles.
With pictures, right. You could solve it with pictures, right. This might be a little bit harder to solve with pictures because you have bigger numbers, but if that's the easiest strategy, you know how to solve it, I want you to use that strategy, okay? So now I want you to show me a strategy to solve this problem. 14 plus 12 equals unknown. Any strategy. When you finish with your strategy, you can show it to me. Good, Journey. Careful, Vita, you have your numbers backwards. You have 14 as 41. Okay, that's a number bond, Emmy. Careful with your work there, Alice. Watch your ones place. Count your circles again, girly. Make sure you have 14 and 12. That's why circles might be hard, because you have to draw a lot. Okay? So if you're doing tens and ones chart, you gotta make sure you divide your numbers correctly into tens and ones. Okay? You could also do a tens and ones chart where you draw out your tens and ones blocks and solve it. You could do a part whole model as people showed. You're finding your whole. Okay, and you add them together. Good, Darren. Good, George. Okay, I would like everyone who solved this problem to go ahead and put their answer, what's the answer to this problem, in the chat bar and hit enter. So you're putting your answer in the chat bar. Don't worry.
Miss Cooper?
Yep.
What is that?
Pop your answer into the chat bar.
How?
The chat bar is at the top. So there's a little like bubble, a little speech bubble at the top here. So, it's right here at the top of your screen is the chat. So this is like everyone, this is like the activities we could do, but this is the chat bar here. Okay. So once you put your answer into the chat bar, I only got about 7 people.
Did you get mine?
Yep. If you sent it through, I got it. Yep. Okay. So, there you go. There we go. We're finding it. We're just putting the answers. We're not putting emoticons. We're not chit-chatting. We're just putting answers. Alrighty. So, now, if I would solve this with tens and ones, 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 1 equals 2. If I counted my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counted my tens, 1, 2. I could have also added all of my part whole. Put 14 in my head, count on. 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I counted wrong then. Wait. 14. That's why I started at 12. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Right? You could have also used a number line where you started at 14 and hopped up 12 to get to the next number, which is 26. Alright? Alright, let's try another one. We showed our answer, we showed an equation, we showed our strategy. I want to see your work. If you submit your seesaw activity today, don't get upset with me when I send it back and there's no work on your paper. I need to see your work. Alright. Everyone needs to keep their cameras on so I can see your work for these. Okay. Let's see. George has 15 pieces of gum. He eats some after school. Now, George has 6 pieces of gum left. How many pieces of gum did George eat after school? Whew. George has 15 pieces of gum. He eats some after school. Now George has 6 pieces of gum left. How many pieces of gum did George eat? The first thing I want you to do is write down the equation. George has 15 pieces of gum. He eats some after school. Now George has 6 pieces left. How many pieces of gum did George eat? I would like you to write down this equation and put both your hands on your head, and then I'll do a 3, 2, 1 and count down. I'd like you to write down this equation. He has 15 pieces of gum. Then he eats some. Okay? Where did George go? Oh, there he is. Sorry. Okay. He eats some after school. Now George has 6 pieces of gum left. How many, ow, that hurt. How many pieces of gum did George eat? Ouch. I just want the equation. I don't want a strategy yet. And wait till I tell you, I count it down. Friends need their hands on their heads. Brian, I hope you have this equation down, dude. Okay. Montre ton travail en 3, 2, 1. Okay, right. He has 15 pieces of gum. Okay, he eats some. They're gone. So that is take away, minus, or subtraction. He eats some. We don't know how many he eats. And now he has 6 left over. So our equation is 15 minus unknown equals 6. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to solve this problem. Use any strategy to solve this problem. Okay? Use any strategy to solve this problem. Good gauge. Use any strategy to solve this problem. You could use tens and ones. You could use your tens and ones chart, but it's going to be hard because you don't know your second number. I think for this problem, the easiest would be an open number line or to use a part-part-whole model. Okay? So I think the 2 strategies that are going to be the easiest with the unknown in the second position is going to be an open number line or a part-part-whole model. Now remember, with a part-part-whole, we're in subtraction. So a part-part-whole model is going to be whole minus part equals part. Okay? Whole minus part equals part. Or you can use the number line. Don't forget when you're using a number line, we're subtracting. So we're going to hop backwards. We're not going to go this way and hop. We're going to hop backwards. Okay? So you're going to start on this side and go this way. Okay? So you're solving 15 minus unknown equals 6. Once you have finished solving that problem, go ahead and stand up. Stand up. Get a little movement in you today. I'm already standing. I need to move though. I'm very cold. Okay. Montre ton travail en 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Yeah, nice. Oh, good. I see some people use pictures. That's okay if you're not finished. Don't worry about it, Zoe. You have time to finish, girly. Good, Emmy. Good, Gage. Good, Riley. Good, Darren. Good, George. Good, Easy. Oh, I like the part whole model. Good, Carson. Okay, I need to see some work from Vita. Emmy, Cameron, I can see you're in the car. You're okay. Egypt, Brian. Oop, there's Alice. Awesome. Let me see it again, Alice. Aubrey, and then Miss Bristol. But take your time. We got time. Good, Aubrey. Alice, can I see that again? Okay, careful. Why do you have 5 10s? Okay, I would like you to use, Alice, I would like you to use open number line or part whole model. It's going to be a lot easier than using 10s and 1s. Okay. Alrighty, so if I was to solve this problem like a lot of you showed me, if I used an open number line, I'd start at 15 and I'm going to hop back to the number 6 because this is the number of hops I do. Okay, so I'm going to hop back to 6. So I could do 6 and count to 15, or I could just count back from 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. This is going to have to be 7. I'm going to have to extend my number line. That's okay. 7 and 6. Now I would count my hops to find the answer. For your part whole model, we know we have 15, and we're going to draw 6 as our other part, and then you would count up till you got to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, let's go ahead and let's go in the chat bar and let's put in our answer for the unknown number. Go ahead and pop in that answer for the unknown number. So you're popping in the answer right here for the unknown number. Awesome. Just once. You just have to put it in there once, not more than once. Just once. Because I'm counting how many people are posting it at.
2, 6.
Riley, question?
It's
Times what gets you to 6?
I can't. Sometimes it runs out of room, and then I can't put my answer.
Runs out of room on your board?
No, on the chat bar, I can't put the number 9.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Don't worry about it. No worries.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't let me put anything on the chat bar.
So it should let you now. So right now I have it open where it's letting you put stuff on the chat bar, but sometimes I close it because friends like to play around and mess around on the chat bar. So sometimes I close the chat. Teachers have that ability. when friends are playing. But you should be able to put it in now. Right, so our answer is 9. So if I counted my hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I counted my dots in this spot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Awesome sauce. All right, let's do one more. One more. Okay. Okay. Riley has 5 bracelets. She buys some more bracelets at the store. Now, Riley has 20 bracelets. How many did Riley buy at the store? Okay, so Riley has 5 bracelets. She buys some more. Okay, she buys some more bracelets at the store. Now she has 20 bracelets. How many did Riley buy at the store? Okay, so Riley has, okay, she has 5 bracelets. She buys some more at the store. Now Riley has 20 bracelets. How many more bracelets did Riley buy at the store? I popped the word problem into the chat bar if you need it. So I want you to take your time now and write your equation down. When you finish writing your equation, give me your best squishy face. Give me your best squishy face when you finish writing your equation. Okay, who could raise their hand and tell me what my equation is? Darren, what's my equation?
5 plus 5 equals 20.
What was right here? What's this called?
Equation.
No, what's 5 plus what? What was here? What's this called? What's this called?
The box.
The unknown, right?
Unknown box.
Right. 5 plus unknown equals 20, okay? Now, you can use a part whole model. That's probably easiest because that's like pictures. You can use an open number line if you'd like. I think tens and ones would be a little bit tricky for this one because you have to figure out that missing part in the equation. When tens and ones work is when you're finding the sum or the difference, the answer. So I would like you to use either an open number line or a part whole model? And I apologize for my voice cracking. Okay? So don't forget when you're adding, it's part plus part equals whole. So I would like you to use an open number line or a part whole model to solve. Okay? And then when you finish, I'm going to do a show me your work, and then we'll pop our answers into the chat bar. So, Riley had 5 bracelets. She buys some more at the store. Now she has 20. How many did she buy at the store? Okay. Open number line or part whole. That's what I'd like to see. Part whole is like drawing pictures. Just remember that. When you finish, put your finger on your nose and stick out your tongue. So when you finish, put your finger on your nose and stick out your tongue. Alrighty, montre travail en 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Good, Darren. Good, George. Good, Carson. Good, Journey. Good, Alice. Good, Easy. Good, Gage. If you still need to work, it's okay. Take your time. Bristol, question?
It equals 20, right?
Okay, I'm not having you tell me the answers yet. We're gonna wait.
I meant the time fork isn't working.
Yeah, the chat bar's not working yet because I wanted to see your strategy first. Yep, we're gonna go over the strategies first. All right, good. Emmy, careful. Make sure I don't see your hole in your part hole. Okay. So if I was doing an open number line, I'm going to start at 5 and I'm going to hop till I get to 20. So like this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'd have to move that, and then I would count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and I would count my hops. Then here, one of my parts is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know my other part, but I know my whole is 20. So I'm going to count from 5 up to 20, put 5 in my head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, go ahead and type in your answer for the unknown number right here into the chat bar. What's the answer for the unknown number into the chat bar? Only do it once. The answer for the unknown, not the answer to the equation. The answer to the equation is 20. I want to know the answer for the unknown number. Okay. Good. Yep. Make sure you only put in your answer once. Alice, that looks like 15,151,000. Only put it in once. Okay, so most of you said that 15 was our unknown. If I counted my hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, If I counted my part here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So even though I did it with 2, I double checked my work. So 5 plus 15 equals 20. Now, same thing, I'm going to say it again, okay, before you leave. You have to show an equation, elephants, strategy, sing, answer, always, okay? You have to show all 3. I want to see your work, okay? I want to see your work, okay? Show me your work, okay? You have 5 word problems to practice, okay? There's a rainbow video on every single page, okay, going over the word problem and reminding you about different strategies you can use, okay? Everyone good?
Bye.
This is review. This is review. Everyone good? Okay, if you're good, you can go. Bye, friends.
Bye.